So I started hopping in on some of Tori's wine pairing classes during the pandemic because we were all at home and needed something to do and it seemed like fun. And when I took her classes, I learned so much. And on top of learning a lot, the pairings were incredible. I got to taste wines that I had never tried or even heard of before. And it was so much fun. There was camaraderie and you just had a blast during the classes. So I ended up actually signing up to take a sommelier course. And so I asked Tori if she wouldn't mind helping me out with some of my tastings and actually give me some of her classes. And so we did like a one-on-one class and she gave me some notes and things to look for, and it really helped fill in the gaps in some of my knowledge even from the course that I was taking, and it was incredibly helpful. So I would recommend Tori and any of her wine tasting classes or any of her wine pairing classes to anybody.